Olaudah Equiano was captured as a slave from the native land of Nigeria during the 18th century. Once he became a free man, he spent his days in England and wrote an autobiography where he outlined some of the customs of his tribe, Igbo, in Nigeria. He notices a parallel with the customs of the Hebrews in the Bible. Let's see some of the things he states. We practiced circumcision like the Jews, and made offerings and feasts on that occasion, in the same manner as they did. Like them also, our children were named from some event, some circumstance, or fancied foreboding, at the time of their birth. I was named Olaudah, which in our language signifies vicissitude, or fortunate, also one favored and having a loud voice and well-spoken. I have before remarked that the natives of this part of Africa are extremely cleanly. This necessary habit of decency was with us a part of religion, and therefore we had many purifications and washings, indeed almost as many, and used on the same occasions, if my recollection does not fail me, as the Jews. Those that touched the dead at any time were obliged to wash and purify themselves before they could enter a dwelling house. Every woman, too, at certain times was forbidden to come into a dwelling house, or touch any person, or anything we eat. I was so fond of my mother I could not keep from her, or avoid touching her at some of those periods, in consequence of which I was obliged to be kept out with her, in a little house made for that purpose, till offering was made, and then we were purified. This can be found in Leviticus chapter 15, verse 19 going down. Though we had no places of public worship, we had priests and magicians, or wise men. I do not remember whether they had different offices or whether they were united in the same persons, but they were held in great reverence by the people. They calculated our time and foretold events, as their name imported, for we called them Afoweka, which signifies calculators or yearly men. They wore their beards, and when they died, they were succeeded by their sons. This can be found throughout Leviticus chapter 21 among all the other aforementioned customs, which can be found throughout the book of Leviticus.